Join me, Terry Bradshaw, as I explore all that's new and exciting about the USA and Canada and what people are doing in order to make a difference. It's an easy way to see what's happening across your own country. Welcome to Today in America. The healthcare industry offers a wide range of solutions, along with the highly trained professionals to guide us. Let's take a look at what's being done to keep us on our feet and feeling great.
To most of us, there's nothing more important than the health and happiness of our families and loved ones. And it's no different for John Hobday of Minneapolis, Minnesota. In 1994, he left his job as a middle school teacher and started a home-based computer programming business in order to spend more time with his family and young children. One of his many early projects was to develop a computer-based training program for family members of people with Alzheimer's disease. Hobday had no idea that Alzheimer's would someday change his own life.
My grandmother began forgetting conversations, appointments, important dates, even telephone numbers she had dialed for 50 years. Some days she would even forget to eat or drink. So we took her to her doctor for a memory and cognitive assessment, and she couldn't remember the year. She thought the president was John F. Kennedy. I was completely shocked. I knew that these weren't typical signs of aging.
4 years later, John's grandmother, Therese Morzinski, died of Alzheimer's at the age of 96, but not before inspiring Hobday's life work.
When my grandmother was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease, my family knew nothing. What we really needed was an understanding of the basics of dementia, an explanation of the behavior that was occurring, and strategies we could use with her. So this really became my life mission, and it's now what I try to do each and every day with family members and professional caregivers.
Today, Hobday is the CEO and founder of HealthCare Interactive, an organization dedicated to educating family members and professional caregivers about memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, and other forms of dementia. In 2005, John partnered with the Alzheimer's Association to develop online training to help educate those caring for people living with memory loss and other forms of dementia.
There are over 5 million Americans living with Alzheimer's disease, and they have over 15 million unpaid caregivers. Caring for somebody with Alzheimer's disease poses special challenges, and the level of care increases as the disease progresses. So we know that if people become educated about the disease and they understand person-centered care practices, that's going to improve the quality of life for the person with the disease as well as their caregivers.
Since 2005, HealthCare Interactive and the Alzheimer's Association have developed a series of video-based online dementia training called the CARES program.
We've made CARES really easy to use. We've developed a high-quality, engaging, and interactive learning program that even a non-native English speaker or non-computer user would find really valuable.
John has also worked with the Alzheimer's Association to launch an individual online training and certification program for both families and professionals called Alzheimer's Association Essentials.
In many parts of the country, high-quality training is just not available, much less cost-effective training like CARES. And now you can become certified. Anyone who completes the CARES training program can take an exam to become certified in Alzheimer's Association Essentials certification.
Using the CARES program was really helpful because it provided more or less real-life experience. I'm a social work intern. I'm new in the field. It was a really helpful interactive tool which helped me learn how to work with individuals with dementia.
As for Hobday, helping HealthCare Interactive make quality dementia education available nationwide remains a labor of love.
My goal is to literally change the way that dementia care is delivered around the country. In fact, my personal mission is to ensure that more than 1 million family members and professionals are trained and certified by 2015. Just imagine the difference that would make. I'm a lucky guy. I'm doing important and meaningful work, and I'm making a difference for families and people with dementia. I'm right where I should be.